Hey there! Frustrated because you cannot see contact names for incoming calls or on apps like WhatsApp and Telegram on your iPhone? It's definitely annoying not knowing who is calling. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here is a simple guide on how to fix this issue so you can get those contact names showing up again. Solution 1. Reset Sync Settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you see the list of apps. Now, find and select the Contacts app. Then tap on Accounts. Choose the account where your contacts are synced, like iCloud or Gmail. Now, for iCloud users, tap on iCloud, tap iCloud again, tap on See All, locate Contacts, toggle the switch off and then on again. Now, go back to the contact settings. Tap on Gmail. Turn off contacts from here and then turn it back on. Check if contact names are now visible for incoming calls. Solution 2. Reset all settings. To do this, open Settings. Then scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap Reset. Choose Reset all settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. This will reset your settings to default but won't erase your data. Solution 3. Check contact permissions for WhatsApp, Telegram, or another app. To do this, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Then tap Contacts. Find the apps you're using. Make sure the phone app has full access to your contacts. If it doesn't, toggle the switch to grant access. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 4. Check Caller ID settings. Open the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on Phone. Tap on Show My Caller ID and make sure it's enabled. This setting controls whether your number is visible to others, but it can sometimes affect incoming call identification as well. That's all there is to it. These steps should help you fix the issue of contact names not showing up for incoming calls on your iPhone. If you have any questions or need more help, just drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.